We install. Yes, we install. We install the car GPS tracker, the dash cam, microphone and hidden camera, remote engine stop, the kill switch. It's a once-off payment. Protect your car from theft. Yes, you must. So that you might never lose your car again. Introducing the unlimited car tracker. Yours forever with a once-off payment. Don't crack your head trying to figure out and find ways on how to get back your car. With us, you are safe. It's a real-time GPS tracking that allows you to know your car's location 24/7. Also, it includes the geofencing alerts. And the geofencing alerts? Yes, the geofencing alerts. They help you to immobilize your car instantly if stolen were supported. No subscription, no haste. Pay once off, tracker forever. Is your vehicle stolen? Track it yourself and recover with the police using the live map updates. Excess polile, ne? We're relaxing. Southern pin and belly carbon, eh? Never be the victim again. For more info, you contact the number 066 409 1167. 066 409 1167. With us, you are safe. You'll never be the victim again.